Hello children, today we will study third chapter of moral science, that is India, my motherland. So this chapter is about the patriotism, the love for our motherland. India is my motherland, hence all Indians are my brothers and sisters. We take the pledge now daily in the assembly, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. So why do we say this? We say this because it shows the love that we have for our fellow Indians. They are like our brothers and sisters, and so we should have love and respect for each other. I love my country, so I should be proud of its rich and varied culture. Varied means different, variety of, different kind of. We have different kind of culture, right? You go in different states, so you will find different culture. Uttar Pradesh has one culture, Punjab has another culture. Then you go to south side, there is another culture. I must always work for its progress. This is patriotism. Patriotism means love for your motherland. Bharat Mata is my great mother. We live in her lap. She gives me air to breathe, food to eat, water to drink, and clothes to wear because I am her child. Just like your mother, your mother gives you clothes to wear, she gives you food to eat, right? And she gives you all the facilities. The same way, we all are children of our motherland. She's like mother to us, and she's a great mother. We live in her lap. Lap means god, what we say in Hindi. So she gives us air, the air that we breathe, that is also given by our mother nature. If there is no air in the atmosphere, what we will breathe? Nothing, we will die. So mother nature gives us air to breathe. Food to eat, like our farmers, they grow crops and all, and that crop only we eat when mother cook it and we eat. So from where do we get this food? We get from the mother nature. Water to drink, rivers and all are there. If there is no water in the river, then what we will give? Those water only go to the water tanks, and then it comes in our house. So motherland, mother nature also gives us water to drink. And clothes to wear because I am her child. Clothes also like cotton, this thing, crops and all, they grown, farmers grown up from there only they make clothes, and we get these clothes to wear. So our mother is a great motherland, is a great mother because she gives us so many things. She gives us food to eat, she gives us air to breathe, she gives us water to drink, she gives us clothes to wear. So she is a great mother. Our national anthem is a source of inspiration to all of us. Source of inspiration means, children, influence, something that influence, that force you, or that make you feel to do something, that is inspiration. So first it was written in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is basically Bengali, so first he wrote it in Bengali. Then it was translated into English and other languages. After that it got translated into English also and many other languages, like you sing the Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Jaya Hai, in the assembly you sing it. So here we have the English version of it. Thou art the ruler of minds of all people, dispenser of India's destiny, means saying that I pray the leader to rule in the mind of common and urban people. Dispenser of India's destiny means builder of the India's future, that is God. Thy name rouses the hearts of, means we wake up at morning by remembering your name. Your name means God's. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, and Maratha, of the Dravid and Orissa and Bengal. It echoes in the hills of India's and Himalayas, mingles in the music of Yamuna and Ganga, and is chanted by the waves of Indian Ocean. They chant only thy name. They pray for thy blessings. Thy means, children, your. They pray for thy blessing and sing thy praise. The salvation of all people waits in thy hand, thou dispenser of India's destiny. Victory to thee, victory to thee, victory to thee. Victory, 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 victory to thee. So this is the English version of the national anthem, Jan Gan Man Adhinayak. Every Indian should hold high the honor of the country. Honor means respect. So we should do everything to hold high the respect of our country. Means we should not let our other people or other means the enemies of our country to let our country down. Sing the praises of national anthem with attention and reverence. Attention means no, when you sing the national anthem, don't get distracted about other things. You should put full concentration in what you are singing. And reverence. Reverence means what? The deep respect for the national anthem. So while singing, you should have the feeling of patriotism in you. You should be fully concentrated in what you are singing, and you should have the feeling of deep respect for your national anthem and for your country. Please remember, singing the national anthem is an act of patriotism, means love for the motherland. Therefore, when the anthem is being sung, stand in attention and join in singing. So whenever you hear national anthem means playing anywhere, you should stand in attention, and this is the way you are giving respect to our national anthem, and you should join in the singing. You should not just stand like this, you should also start singing along with it. So children, this is the story, lesson, India My Motherland. Thank you.